Here I've got DOOGEE S50 and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then if you are not under contacts, just open the contacts. Now pick the contact that you would like to change this profile picture to or add the profile picture, then select edit icon and now click on the camera tab right here. And now you can either take a photo if someone is sitting right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. So let me pick choose photo, and you can pick gallery or Google Gallery. In my case it's the normal one, and then select the picture that you would like to cover this screen with, this contact with. Now you can crop it with whichever app you would like to, and I would like to have it this way, and then tap on save. Finally tap on confirmation mark to apply the changes, and that's it. As you can see from now on, this contact has the photo assigned, so anytime Rooney will be calling you, you will see this profile picture at first. And that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.